How to find the host contact info in your Vrbo reservation. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Vrbo. Then click on My Trips at the top right. After you click on My Trips at the top right, select the reservation. Then look for the host contact information in the reservation details in here. And after you do that, you will find your host contact info. You can simply search for other information of the host, or if you have multiple reservations, you will be able to see all the contact info. And if contact info is missing, reach out via the app messaging flow in there. And this is how to find the host contact info in your Vrbo reservation. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.